will talk about how can you fix this problem on your P app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here. So just waiting to open video like this. That's all you have to do. Just go down here. So you keep going down, then you click here on apps. Then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for P app, or just click here on search. So then here add P app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Just click here on force stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store. So you click here on Play Store here, then then you search for Pay Network app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.